Hi, I'm David Jackson with DriTac Flooring Products, here with another quick tip on how to successfully install your jobs.
Today we're going to be talking about a product we call Vertical. Vertical is for hardwood installations on stairs, stair treads, caps and risers, and of course, like the name says, it can be used to install wood flooring vertically on walls. Let's go over some of the attributes of DriTac's Vertical. DriTac's Vertical is very simple to use. It comes in a 9.5 ounce cartridge. It offers low VOCs, no odor, quick curing, offers instant green grab. It can be applied from temperatures between 0 and 105 degrees. It does not shrink, crack, or peel. Let me show you how to use it. The cartridge comes with a pre-cut applicator tip attached to the top of the cartridge. Using a razor knife, I've cut that applicator tip off along with the cap on the threaded end of the cartridge. After that's completed, you simply screw on the applicator tip, insert the cartridge into the cartridge gun, and start pulling the trigger.
As you can see, the applicator tip allows you to dispense a very even flow of adhesive out of the gun. I do want to make one quick note, if I can.
This next tip is really important. DriTac Vertical is a very stiff product. It's very hard to gun out of a caulking gun. This caulking gun, which you can buy at a big box store, is between $5 and $7. I don't recommend it. In the same store, you can buy a caulking gun that costs between $13 and $15. It has a better gearing system and is better suited for DriTac Vertical. Buy this one.
If you would like more information on DriTac Vertical, please visit our website. You can also call the number below and speak with a technical advisor. Remember, the job is only as good as the products you use.